G'day, it's Mark here. Look, I'm going to show you guys how to put one of these sticker kits on. This is a fairly thin sticker. Use soapy water and a heat gun to actually apply this. I'd never done one before with the thinner, with a thinner sticker. I've done the thicker one. It's about 3mm thick. It was a vinyl one. I hated it, so I ripped it off and put this on. But it was a fairly easy sticker kit. They're really thick stickers. They're fairly easy, but these things are a different ballpark. They're quite difficult. If you don't think you could manage doing it, or you're not a patient person, I certainly wouldn't attempt it. I wouldn't. I'd allow a full day by the time you sort of pull plastics off, prep it, clean it, and put the stickers on. It's an easy full day in it, so allow that for a fairly half decent result. So I got this, like I said, off eBay, about $400, and I think it should definitely transform the bike. Plenty of other obvious patterns that you can use, so that's why I thought I'd just put this up for you guys. Bit of time lapse in it. Look, stick around. If that's something you like, give us a thumbs up and a comment. I know I'm going to cop some flack. I've never done one of these sticker kits before. I've probably done it all wrong, but the results to me say, I must have done something half right. Okay. Absolutely hated the last one I put on. It was just way too much. But in saying that, the sticker kit itself, really good quality. It's a couple of mil thick. I think it's about 3mm thick, like a vinyl sticker kit. Whereas the new one I've got is literally a sticker. So it should be a lot easier to put on than the last one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give the plastics a good wash, get all the dirt and that off it from the last ride that I've done. So yeah, you've got to start somewhere. So give me a good clean. So when you're putting the new sticker kit on, which I'm going to use a squeegee with soapy water, you do not want any sand or any dirt behind it, so best to give it a good wash before you start. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just going to use a bit of car wash, truck wash, whatever, and just give everything a good clean, good scrub, and go from there. Once again, feeling that, I can feel a few lumps and bumps in it, and that being the top part of the bite, you get the reflection on that. You're going to see that. It's definitely a distinctive bump or something there. So a little bit of a light sand up just in that area. Look at that sticker design. I won't go out too far from there because you'll end up seeing that sanded edge go all dull the rest of the plastic, so you just got to be careful to stay within your sticker line. Yeah, bumps there. Well, it's no different to prepping before a paint. That's what it feels like to me. Yeah, right, this buddy. Yeah, it's pretty bumpy there. As these stickers are a gloss sticker, you're definitely going to see any imperfections underneath. There's no two ways about it. If you're a perfectionist, which I'm not, it would really worry some people, where, if I get a few lumps and bumps, it's not going to particularly worry me too much. But being a fairly pricey sticker kit, as far as I'm concerned, it's fairly pricey. You probably want to do as best job you can in the preparation. I'm going to hit that with a hose. And this part here, it's a 3-piece sticker, so obviously I'm going to put one piece at a time. So I'm going to do this bad boy first. So I know when I was putting the original one with the thick stickers, it was quite a mission actually trying to get the stickers to go in and out. They're quite rigid. It's probably not a good idea pulling on that, so I'll just come back here. I know people are going to pull, tear me to pieces the way I'm doing it, but it seems to be working okay for me. at this stage. There's probably a proper way of doing it. I am no sticker man or installer, that's for sure, but you're not going to learn unless you have a go yourself, I say. You know, when the stickers go straight on like this, this is quite enjoyable. It was a bit nerve-wracking starting out, but you know, it's not that bad. I think the result's going to be quite good. Righto. Yeah, that's matched the contour. Everything's matched perfectly there with the hole contour, but it nowhere near matches here. That's pretty shit actually. That's disappointing. I know. I'll just have to let that dry a bit. Put it out in the sun for a bit. Alright, I'll give this one another go, but I'll put some heat in it this time, see what it does. That nowhere near fits it, nowhere near to the shape. Soapy water, and I found that really easy to massage the sticker with the heat gun. It's got plenty of ups and downs on this. A lot of scraping and scratching, so yeah, a bit of sanding off with this one. It's going to be quite difficult because it's got all these compound curves. It's you know, flat, rolls down the edge, change the direction 3 times here. So yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting because it's going to want to be pulling an air bubble through there. Now I'm starting to get a bit more used to it. Wow, she's pretty badly damaged actually, this panel. You don't realise you start running your hand over it. Yeah, you never do it without heat gun, there's no way. Alright, we'll stick that out in the sun for a bit. Thanks for watching, guys. Look, if you liked the video, yeah, please subscribe if you got this far. Obviously you must have got something out of it. Hopefully you got something out of it. Look, I do have a few little air bubbles. I've got to fix those up, but hey, it is what it is. Hey, so as I say, yeah, stay upright. till next time, keep smiling.